Good day, ma'am. I am Ivan Maka. This is final coverage of the Philippine Prison Bureau of Correction. Bureau of Correction maintains 7 correctional facilities strategically located all over the country as follows. First is New Bilibid Prison, Muntinlupa City, Correctional Institution for Women, Mandaluyong City, Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, Davao Prison and Penal Farm, Davao del Norte, Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, Occidental Mindoro, San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm, Zamboanga City, Leyte Regional Prison, Abuyog Leyte. The 7 prison and penal farm in the Philippines. First is San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm, established on August 21, 1869 in Zamboanga City during the time of Governor General Ramon Blanco for the confinement of political offender. Mao ni ang panahon nga pagbugna sa San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm ni Governor General Ramon Blanco. The 7 prison and penal farms in the Philippines. Second, Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, established on November 16, 1904 through the authority of Governor Luke Wright. Inmates who are well behaved and declared tractable were assigned to this colony. So morning time paghimo sa Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm ni Governor Luke Wright. The 7 prison penal farms in the Philippines. Iwahig Prison Penal Farm, also known as Prison Without Walls. The colony is divided into 4 sub-colonies, namely: first, Santa Lucia